the sum of all exponents of the variables present in a monomial is called the degree of the term or degree of the monomial. Yeah, some more examples today we will learn in this topic only. So that's why the some more examples. First of all, you can write down one by one. First one is the 5xy, 5x square y square and 8x square and 4 is the x and fifth one is 3xyz. Okay, that is the these all is the monomials. These all is the monomial and is the exponents. What are monomial exponents? There it is the x, y and z also. Z terms also there. So that's why is the one by one Gagan side. Yeah, exponents degree of the monomial. First example is the 5xy. xy, x component of exponent of x equal to 1. And here it is the exponent of y equal to 1. Z terms, no z terms. First one. So that's why the degree is the, what's the degree? Degree is the only, yeah, z terms, no z terms. So that's why the total is the 1 plus 1 equal to the 2. Degree of the monomial is the 2 only. Next is the second example. 5x square y square. So that's why is the exponent of x is the 2 and exponent of y is the 2 and z terms no there. So that's why the total is the 2 plus 2 equal to 4. Okay, next one is the 8x square. 8x square means is the exponent of x is the 2. Y no y and no z only. So that's why is the 2 only. Degree of the monomial is the 2 and x is the exponent of x equal to 1 and no y no z. So that's why is the degree of the monomial is the only 1. So that's why the last example is the 3xyz. So that's why the exponent of x equal to 1 and y is also 1 and z is also 1. So that's why the total degree of the monomial. Degree of the monomial means is the all are exponents. Sum of the all are the exponents. So that's why is the 3 only. Yeah, this is a, are you understood neatly? Next topic is the 10.4.2 degree of constant terms. Degree of constant terms. Yeah, first learn with one example. Let us consider one constant, degree of a constant term. Let us consider for example of 6 only. For example is the 6. So that's why the find the degree of the monomial, degree of the constant term. So that's why icon is the, we know that x power equal to 1 and so 6 can be written as 6x to the power of power 0, x power 0. So what is the exponent of variable is 0. Exponent of variable of x equal to 0. So that's why the degree of constant alag examples. So for examples of 10 is also, you know that one 10 is can be written as 10 power x 0. So that's why the variable of exponent of the variable of exponent of the variable is 0. So that's why is the degree of the constant term is 0 only. Okay, degree exponent of that exponent of variable of x exponent is the 0. So that's degree is also 0. Are you understood, Gagan? So that's why the degree of constant term is 0. Degree of constant term is 0. Okay, but the power of that variable is okay, and exponent of the variable both are the same only. So that's why the degree of the constant terms is always zeros only. But why? Because here it is that no variables only. So that's why it is the constant zeros only. And x to the power of 0 is equal to 1. That is also you can write down this one only. You can understood, Gagan, neatly. Yeah, next topic is the 10.4.3 and a degree of algebraic expressions. Degree of algebraic expressions. So that's why, yeah, next topic is the 10.4.3 degree of algebraic expressions. Serial number 1, algebraic expressions. These are is the 4 examples only, and one more is the constants is also, or fifth one is the constants only. That is also another example. Degree of algebraic expressions, 5 examples, and a degree of each term and the highest degree only. So that's why all are that first and second and third terms. Here first one is the monomial, and second one is the binomial, and third one is the trinomial, and fourth one is the multinomial, and fifth one is the constant only. So that's why is the degree of each term. Yeah, first of all is the first term x square y, x component of exponent of x 2, exponent of y 1. So that's why is the first term is the total is the 3 only. Yeah, second term no term, the fourth term is also no. So that's why highest one is the 3 only. Next one is the second one. 2 terms are there. Here it is the 2 terms binomial. So that's why is the first term. First term is the exponent of x is the only 1. And your second term exponent of y equal y 2 only. And next one is the z is also 2. So that's why the total is the 4. Okay. So that's why the highest degree is the 4. Which one is the highest? 1 and 4. Highest one is the 4 only. So that's why the third examples. This is the trinomial. So that's why is the exponent of first term. First term is the exponent of 2 only. First term is the 2, and your second term is the exponent of x is the 1, and y exponent of y 2 only. So that's why 1 plus 2 is the 3. And z is also, third term is also there, and that is also only 1. So that's why is the which one is the highest one? Third one is the highest only. So that's why is the highest degree. So you can write down here, it is in this column. So that's why the 3 only. Next is the 4. First term is the xy plus 2xy and plus 3z and plus 6. But I am not read that all are the expressions, Gagan Sai. You can look at that notebook. Be carefully. Yeah, fourth one is that xy only. First term is the xy. So that's why is the exponent of x is the 1, and exponent of y is also 1. Total is the 2 only. And next is the plus, and 2xy second term. So that's why is the exponent of x is the 1 and exponent of y is also 1. So that's why the second term is also 2. And next is the third term is 3z. So that's why the exponent of z is also only 1. Third term. And fourth term is also 0. So that's why is the what's the highest degree? Highest degree is the 2 only. Okay. Next one is the fifth one is the constant 5. So that's why is the this is that, but no first term, no second term, third term and fourth term no there only. So that's why is the constant term is the 0 only. Are you understood Gagansa neatly? How to write it understood? For example 3x square y. You can how to write it here? Exponent of x equal to 1 and exponent of y equal to 1 equal to the 3 only. First term. Only first term only. Here it is that second term. Here it is a for example 2x or minus y square z square. Kada. If it's a first term is the 1 and second term is also 4. You can understand. I can say how to write it. And you can, are you clear of this one? Degree of that algebraic expressions, are you understood? So that's why you can is the highest the highest of the all terms of an expression is called the degree of the expression. Okay, Gagan say the highest of the all terms of an expression is called the degree of the expression only. Okay, the highest of all terms, all terms are highest is the degree of is called the degree of the expression. You can understand Gagan say neatly. All terms like which one is the highest, that is the degree of the expression. This is that all our topics today. It's over. Yeah, tomorrow will you continue that the next class? That one is the exercise 2 problems and solutions only.
Yes.
So our 10.3 our topic is that types of algebraic expressions is also over. And our today classes are you understood Gagan say neatly?
Yeah.
10.4 degree of algebraic expressions and degree of the monomial, and you can understood, and degree of constant terms and a degree of algebraic expressions. You can everything you can understood Gagan say neatly. The highest of all the terms of an expression is called the degree of the expression. Highest one, which one is the highest one, you can write down that highest degree. Yeah, today class is also over. Say thank you, have a nice day, my dear Gagan say.
Say bye bye.
Bye bye.